Have you ever been stuck in traffic, watching the minutes tick by, and wished you could just fly over it all? Well, that day is coming sooner than you think. The urban air mobility market is expected to reach $1.5 billion by 2026, and companies around the world are racing to make flying taxis a reality. From futuristic designs to game-changing technology, these companies are about to transform how we travel forever. In today's video, we're diving into 10 trailblazing companies that are making electric flying taxis a reality. So fasten your seatbelt, because the sky's the next frontier in transportation. Number 1. Joby Aviation, USA. Joby Aviation presents a sleek, futuristic flying taxi with a 5-rotor configuration and an aerodynamic cabin optimized for urban travel. Its electric propulsion system uses distributed electric power, enhancing both stability and efficiency. Offering a 150-mile range and speeds up to 200 miles per hour, Joby can accommodate 4 passengers in a spacious, quiet cabin. The vehicle's advanced safety features include autonomous piloting, emergency landing systems, and redundant rotors. Designed for urban environments, it minimizes noise pollution. The system is compatible with existing electric infrastructure for rapid charging, and its affordable pricing is aimed at appealing to a broad market over time. Joby is targeting a 2025 launch, with FAA certification in progress. This fully electric design ensures zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for urban commutes, airport transfers, and city center travel. Number 2. Archer Aviation, USA. Archer's flying taxi features a compact, fixed-wing design with tilting rotors, enabling efficient flight in urban environments. Powered by electricity, it uses tilt-rotor technology to achieve both stability and speed, offering a 60-mile range and speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. The cabin seats 4 passengers comfortably. Archer's aircraft is equipped with autonomous features and collision avoidance systems for enhanced safety. It operates more quietly than traditional helicopters, making it ideal for city use. Rapid charging via urban infrastructure is a key feature, and the cost is designed to be accessible to a wider audience. Archer plans a 2025 launch and is undergoing test flights. Its fully electric design ensures zero emissions, supporting sustainable urban transportation, primarily for commutes and short-distance airport transfers. Number 3. Volocopter, Germany. Volocopter's flying taxi named Volocity stands out with its 18 rotors, providing exceptional stability for urban air mobility. Electric-powered, the aircraft is designed with advanced flight control systems. It offers a 22-mile range and speeds up to 68 miles per hour, comfortably seating 2 passengers in an open cockpit. Safety is paramount with redundancy systems and emergency landing capabilities. Volocopter's low-noise design ensures compatibility with urban environments. The aircraft uses standard electric vehicle charging stations for easy access. Volocopter aims to attract both high-end and broader markets, with an eye on affordability. The company is expected to launch commercially in the near future after successful test flights in Paris and Singapore. Its zero-emissions design contributes to sustainable urban air mobility, targeting city transportation solutions. Number 4. Lilium, Germany. Lilium focuses on intercity travel with a unique ducted fan design that enhances aerodynamics. It's called Lilium Jet. Powered by electric propulsion and multiple small jet engines, it offers a 186-mile range and speeds up to 175 miles per hour, seating up to 5 passengers. Safety features include redundant systems in critical components. Its design minimizes noise pollution, ideal for urban settings. Lilium utilizes fast charging compatible with existing infrastructure. The aircraft is positioned as a premium product, with cost reduction strategies planned over time. The company is targeting a 2025 commercial launch after completing its testing phases. Fully electric, Lilium contributes to zero-emission transportation, mainly for regional mobility between cities. Number 5. Vertical Aerospace, UK. Vertical Aerospace's streamlined flying taxi, VAX4, features multiple rotors for efficient lift and quieter operation. Powered by electric propulsion, it promises a 100-mile range and speeds of up to 150 miles per hour, with capacity for 4 passengers. Its advanced safety features include autonomous flight capabilities, making it both safe and reliable. The aircraft operates quieter than helicopters, and its rapid charging capabilities ensure compatibility with existing urban infrastructure. Targeting both premium and broader audiences, Vertical Aerospace is planning a mid-2020s launch. Its fully electric design offers zero emissions, contributing positively to environmental sustainability. Focused on urban air mobility, it's designed for commuter services, with regulatory certifications currently in progress. Number 6. EHang, China. EHang's flying taxi, EHang 216 multi-rotor design, is optimized for vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, offering autonomous electric-powered passenger drones. With a range of 31 miles and speeds up to 62 miles per hour, it can accommodate 2 passengers in a basic, yet comfortable setup. The vehicle is equipped with redundancy systems, emergency landing protocols, and autonomous navigation for safety. Designed to operate quietly, it's ideal for urban areas. Standard charging stations allow for quick recharges. EHang aims to make air travel affordable, relying on autonomous operations to reduce costs. The company is conducting trials in Chinese cities, with commercial service expected after testing. Its zero-emission design supports environmental sustainability. Primarily focused on urban transportation, it's working toward FAA certification. Number 7. Wisk Aero, USA, New Zealand. Wisk Aero's flying taxi named Cora features a sleek, aerodynamic design with vertical takeoff capabilities developed in collaboration with Boeing. Powered by electric propulsion, it's designed for autonomous flight with reliable software systems. The aircraft is optimized for inner-city travel, with a 100-mile range and speeds of around 110 miles per hour, accommodating 2 passengers. Safety features include autonomous navigation systems and emergency landing protocols. Wisk Aero is focused on minimizing noise pollution for urban use. Its aircraft uses existing infrastructure for rapid charging. Targeting both premium and broad market audiences, Wisk aims for commercial operations by late 2025. With its zero-emission design, it contributes to eco-friendly urban air mobility. Partnerships with city planners are underway to integrate Wisk's services into public transport systems. Number 8. Hyundai's Supernal, South Korea, USA. Though it isn't specifically named yet, Supernal's flying taxi features a futuristic design with aerodynamics optimized for urban integration. Powered by an electric propulsion system, it uses advanced battery technologies for efficiency. With a 60-mile range and speeds of up to 130 miles per hour, Supernal seats 4 passengers with ample luggage space. The vehicle is built for safety, featuring multiple redundancies and compliance with strict aviation standards. It is designed for quiet operation, suitable for densely populated areas. Supernal's aircraft can be rapidly charged using existing infrastructure, making it a viable option for city use. The company plans to launch in the early to mid-2030s, following rigorous testing phases. A zero-emission aircraft, it promotes sustainability in urban mobility. Primarily focused on short-distance travel, it's aimed at relieving congestion in metropolitan areas. Number 9. Airbus, Europe. Airbus's vehicle is known as City Airbus Next Gen. Airbus presents a compact 4-seater design with a focus on passenger comfort and aerodynamics. Powered by electric propulsion, it's designed to maximize both efficiency and performance. With a 60-mile range and speeds of up to 120 miles per hour, it provides comfortable seating for 4 passengers. The aircraft includes redundant systems for reliability and low-noise emissions, making it ideal for urban settings. It is compatible with existing infrastructure for easy charging and quick recharges. Targeting commercial operations in the mid-2020s, Airbus is focused on making air taxis accessible. The zero-emission design contributes to environmental sustainability. Primarily used for urban and regional transportation, Airbus is working on necessary certifications for operational readiness. Number 10. Beta Technologies, USA. Beta Technologies focuses on both cargo and passenger transport within the same innovative vehicle design. The name of the vehicle is Alia. Powered by electric propulsion and advanced battery technologies, it offers a 250-mile range and speeds up to 100 miles per hour. The aircraft accommodates up to 5 passengers with ample cargo space. It features multiple redundancies to ensure safety, along with low-noise emissions suitable for urban areas. The vehicle is designed to be compatible with existing charging infrastructure. Beta is focused on making air taxis affordable and accessible to a wide range of customers. The company plans to launch in the early to mid-2020s after completing rigorous testing. Its zero-emission design supports sustainability goals, and it is targeting urban hubs for frequent air travel, while working toward regulatory certification. The future of air taxis. Air taxis can significantly reduce urban congestion by facilitating fast, point-to-point travel options that bypass traditional roadways. As eVTOLs are typically electric-powered, they offer zero-emission travel options that contribute to cleaner air quality in densely populated areas. The emergence of air taxi services could create new jobs related to maintenance, infrastructure development, regulatory compliance, etc., boosting local economies. The industry faces challenges such as regulatory hurdles, noise control measures, infrastructure development needs, affordability issues, each requiring innovative solutions from stakeholders involved. And that wraps up our flight plan for today. From futuristic designs to innovations that could change the way we move through cities, these flying taxis are not just science fiction, they're on the runway to reality. So which one's ready to take off in your world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're as intrigued by the skies as we are, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell to keep your seatbelt fastened for more mind-blowing tech updates. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, keep your head in the clouds and your eyes on the future.